Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Chromebook is updated and your accessory is powered and in pairing mode. This prevents common failures. Once done, click the time in the corner to open Quick Settings, then tap Settings and choose Connected Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. You'll see nearby devices populate. If you don't, toggle Bluetooth off and on to force a refresh. You're now ready to select the accessory from the list when it appears. You should see your accessory listed. Click its name to initiate pairing. When prompted, verify the PIN matches on both devices or accept the pairing request. This secures the connection. Make sure the accessory remains in pairing mode until the Chromebook reports it as connected. Once paired, test the function you need, such as audio or keyboard input. If your accessory needs additional permissions, grant them in the Connected Devices area, because those allow full functionality, like media controls or microphone access. You're almost done. Set the new device as the default for audio or input in settings to ensure apps use it. If pairing fails, remove the device and re-add it, or restart the Chromebook to clear temporary glitches. Make sure batteries are charged, the accessory is within range, and no strong interference is nearby. If problems persist, update Chrome OS and retry. These steps resolve most issues. One tip: power cycle the accessory. Sometimes that final reset fixes stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.